Hi, this is Gail. Welcome to my channel. Today I'm working on day 5 of the Fab Tag 30-day challenge. Now, these are made with old book pages and recycled packaging again. Now, this initially was going to be a tag, and then I felt like it might work really great as a pocket. And it would be glued down to the page, and then you would insert a tag. And here's the deal. These are from a carpentry book. And so there were all kinds of architectural type drawings in it. So all this is 2 pages, which I had used as glue book pages initially. 2 pages this long, folded over, and then cut out to look like a house. And again, at first I thought, oh, these will make cute tags. But I thought they were rather big and wonky once I got them together. So then I decided, okay, they'll make a cool pocket, and then inside we'll put a tag. So that's what I have created. Now, again, this is like from an old carpentry book, and these are book pages. And then I just collaged on some architectural drawings, some that are from public domain. I don't know. There might be some graphics fairy in there. Anyhow, so that's that. And then I made, well, I'll show you the rest of these. So there really is nothing more to them than see book pages doubled over and glued. Pretty sturdy though. And then after I decoupage one side of them, then they will end up making pockets for this architectural journal that I am working on for a good friend. Okay. Still from the same book, it was just part of like the index. Okay, so that's those. And then these are the tags. So the tags actually, if you look, they have like a botanical on top of some architectural drawings, okay? And so what I have here is packaging that I cut out in the shape of a tag. I glued down tea dyed or coffee dyed paper, front and back, and then had to resize this picture to fit the tag, and then added just a little bit of cutout leaves and flowers, but mostly leaves, just to give it a little more texture and pizzazz, and then not to leave that big blank spot. These are going to be journaling cards, obviously, and again, they fit the architectural theme, but the person receiving this also likes botanical, so I thought, kind of a win-win. So I, of course, sewed around this, and I sewed around this as well. And I will around the others when I'm finished with those too. So let's just take a look. Pretty poppy. Gave me a chance to use up some of my colored eyelets too. I think this was a series of coasters from Graphics Fairy. Because there are some duplicates. Oh yeah, see, I think I have 3 of this one. I think it was a series of only 4, but I wanted the tags to be very similar. And I didn't feel like recreating the wheel, and I think that's part of the issue. Lots of times when we make tags, sometimes we feel like we have to start from scratch, and we don't really take advantage of some of the materials and resources that are out there for us. I do belong to the premium member site for Graphics Fairy, but now I have seen others do the same thing, in terms of don't reinvent the wheel, go back, use some of what you have. So upcycling plus using book papers. So that's a win-win. And tags can be that simple, in my opinion. Okay, and remember how in one of the last tag architecture tags, I said 11 tags, odd number. That's probably not right, and it wasn't, because here was number 12, somehow got mixed in with these other architectural tags. And this is, again, some of that cloth washi tape by Tim Holtz. I just love that. And this was actually the architect firm, part of their name, but I just kept architects out of it. Okay, so just wanted to share those with you for day 5, and I hope that this has inspired you to go out, use some of what you have already to make some tags and have fun. I finally have downloaded and printed off all of Andrea and Tracie's tags. So I will begin to work on these as well. And if anybody uses an HP laser printer and has answers for me, I don't know why it is, but I am having such difficulty getting my HP to print on anything other than copy type paper. And this was actually a very lightweight cardstock, cream colored. I got one page of these, and then I tried no less than 15 times and could not get it to feed through no matter what. No matter what setting I put it on, no matter how many pieces of paper were in the printer, I don't know. So if anybody has any answers, let me know, because I'm real frustrated that I can't use any other papers in mine. And every time I call my son in to help me, it works. So I at least get one copy with him around. As soon as he walks away, it won't take it in. So I don't know what I'm doing wrong, but help. Okay, so have a great day. Get out there and make something. Stay safe and stay healthy. Bye-bye.